right, you're standing up all by yourself. Here you come. Come on. Yes. Come on. You're doing it. Oh, you're so good. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come up. There he went all down. Good job, Marco. Yay, it's your first day to walk. It's your first day to walk. Oh, bringing it in for the home stretch. Oh, yay. Yay. Oh, Levi. Levi wants to play. Levi wants to play. Levi, go lay down. All right, Marco, come here, pumpkin. You want to walk again? I bet you could do it. You can throw it? Oh, good job. Good job. All right, stand up. Stand up. Bah. Uh-oh. That one came out quick, huh? All right, we get you cleaned up. You all right? Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Come on, stand up. Stand up. There you go. There. Okay. Say hi, Daddy. You say Daddy. Say Daddy. Oh, look at you standing up. Look at you standing up. Can you come over here to your toys? Huh? Can you come over here to your toys? Oh, you're going to sit down? Crawl? Okay. Not quite confident yet with the walking. You did so good, Baba. Oh, you did so good. Give Mama a kiss. Give Mama kisses. I love you. You want to try one more time? Come here. The toys might not be so good because those are on the ground. Come here. Up, 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 up. Okay, ready? Let's get you stand up. All right, balance. Balance. You don't need my finger. You don't need my finger anymore. Can you let go of my hand? And touch the statue. Don't push it over. Careful. Let go of my finger. There. There. Come on. You're doing it. You're doing it. Look at those feet walking. Oh, it's a pumpkin. Yes, he's doing it. Yay! So strong. Oh, boop. 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 Yes. All right, you can stand up here. Stand up. You'll walk to the Levi. Balance. Balance. Oh. Where are you going? You want to Levi? Come on.